Hey YouTube, my name is Damilola for those that don't know me, and I'm back with a new video. I'm actually midway doing my makeup, and I thought that I'm going to do a video just talking about lashes because someone asked me how to apply lashes or how I apply lashes. So I just want to talk about everything lashes today. We're going to talk about lashes, okay? Lashes is super important because lashes literally make the makeup for me. Like, as you can see, my makeup is done, but with a lash, we're gonna see how it really looks. The first few things you need is you need your lashes, of course. These are all my lashes that I normally wear, and I've got them. I am very unorganized, guys. I'm so sorry. This is not the perfect YouTuber that is very organized. I am like, you know, a normal person, and I, you know, make a bit of mistakes here and there, and I'm messy, and I don't make up sometimes, and I, you know, I would get lazy to put them in the packet, so I put them in here. And these lashes are a combination of several lashes. I literally use loads of different lash brands, but my favorites are Amora Lashes UK. I'm gonna tag her name below. I think this pair right here, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Oh, I have to show you, but it's literally a dramatic pair. Like, those ones, sorry, your nose dirty. But I think these ones are from Amora Lashes UK. And then I've got bold brushes as well. Then you're gonna need glue. Of course, you need your glue. I use duo glue, and I also have this one as well. These two glues are very, very good. You also need your mascara. And then you also need your tweezers, okay? Because I have very curly lashes, I do not wear mascara before my lashes. A lot of people do that, and it's okay if you do it. You can do what works for you. The reason why I can't do that is because if my lashes are already curly, what is gonna happen, guys? The lashes are gonna curl up. And when they curl up, then it's gonna be hard for me to put the lash on my line. Duh. So the first thing that I do is I decide what lash I'm gonna wear. Today I'm gonna wear this lash. It's on the bold brushes, you know, thingy, but I don't know which one it is. It could be bold brushes, to be honest, but he does amazing lashes. I'm literally tagging all the lash people that I use. Guys, if you need good lashes, just go to their Instagrams. You will find amazing lashes. So this is how the lash looks like. Okay. So I'll take my mirror, right? Got the lash in my tweezer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place that. Obviously I'm holding the mirror, so it's kind of harder, you know what I mean? Because I actually use both my hands, but let's just pray that I can do this, okay? You're gonna put it literally in the middle of your eye. Okay, that's fine. Then we just pinch it to the end, right? See that? Pinch it to the end. Then you take the front and literally, because I'm holding both a mirror, it's kind of hard for me to get it right, but I'm gonna try my best. Now we take the mirror down and do both like this. And really just sink it in to the center. Oh God, this is what I didn't want. I think mirror does not enough glue as well. Just clamp it down. Oh guys, when I'm doing a tutorial, there's been things gonna fuck up. Can you imagine? But we're gonna get it right! The second round is my tutorial, guys. You know I'm gonna make a little bit of a mistake. Come on now. Come on now! Do you know what I mean? And lashes is not easy. Now you can see how challenging it is. Really and truly is, I think I'm better using my hands sometimes. Girl, I don't even know. Let's try one more time, okay? Okay, now we just go down again. See, I was doing it right. The way I'm laying on is perfect. But my problem is that it's not sticking on. I think the glue wasn't strong enough, so I put more glue. So I'm sticking it on again. You see now? Just right there. Oh-ha! We got it! So that's in the end. Now just get the front. Guys, I did it. I'ma explain why you probably didn't see me. Perfect, guys. I hope you guys understood what I did. It wasn't that easy. So why it was taking long for it to position was because I didn't let the glue dry down fast enough. So make sure when you're doing it, guys, let the glue dry. Okay? But now it's actually on the lash line, as you can see. It wasn't easy. And it's never easy. Lashes are hard, guys. you need your tweezers, or actually, to be honest with you, sometimes I think I'm better using my hands, to be honest with you, but I use tweezers and I use hands. I just let it just do what it needs to do. Do you understand? Whatever happens, happens, but I got my weapons, I got my things to make sure we get it right. But when I just thought, oh, for the haters, I thought that I was gonna fail this tutorial. God has proven you wrong. God, did I do my lashes right? Did I get it all right? I think it's right. Woo! Looks nice. Looks nice. Girl, lashes make me feel like that bitch. And I am that bitch. Period. But yeah, what do you guys think of the makeup look? What do you guys think about lash application? What do you guys think of the whole tutorial? I know it almost was an epic fail because they wanted to get me, but you know what, I'm a Christian and I'm covered with the blood of Jesus. Okay, they wanted to get me, but girl, I killed it. I think I did okay. One issue that I do have, and it's I don't care about it, is my lashes don't tend to always stay in the front. I like it because I feel like, because my eyes get very watery in the center or in the front of my eye, I prefer a little lift. That's just my preference. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But yeah, I hope you guys could enjoy this tutorial and comment down below what you guys think. Subscribe, share, like, and all that shebang. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta!